Pancakes. Pancakes are one of the oldest foods in human history, with evidence of flat grain cakes cooked on hot stones going back over 30,000 years. The American version, thick and fluffy, uses baking powder to create the rise. In 1889, Aunt Jemima became the first ready-mix pancake product ever sold, completely changing how Americans cooked breakfast at home. The world record for the most pancakes eaten in one sitting is 113. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs became the defining American breakfast in the 1920s, largely because of a marketing campaign. Sigmund Freud's nephew Edward Bernays was hired by a bacon company to convince Americans that a hearty breakfast was healthier than a light one. He surveyed doctors, got them to recommend bacon and eggs, and published the results in newspapers nationwide. Within years, bacon and eggs had become the standard American morning meal and has remained there ever since. French toast. French toast has nothing to do with France. The earliest known recipe appears in a Roman cookbook from the 4th century called Apicius, which describes bread soaked in milk and egg, then fried in oil. Medieval Europeans called it pain perdu in French, meaning lost bread, because it was a way to use stale bread that would otherwise be thrown away. The name French toast appeared in print in America in 1871 and stuck, even though the dish predates France as a country. Waffles were invented in medieval Europe when cooks began pressing batter between two iron plates with a honeycomb pattern. The grid design was not decorative, it was practical, creating a structure that held toppings like syrup and butter in the pockets. Thomas Jefferson reportedly brought a waffle iron back from France in the 1780s, helping popularize them in America. Belgium has two distinct waffle styles, the Brussels waffle, which is light and rectangular, and the Liège waffle, which is denser and sweeter with caramelized sugar baked in. Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict was created in New York City in the 1890s. The most common story credits a Wall Street broker named Lemuel Benedict, who ordered buttered toast, bacon, poached eggs, and hollandaise sauce at the Waldorf Hotel after a night of heavy drinking. The maitre d' liked it so much he put it on the menu. Hollandaise, the rich butter and egg yolk sauce poured over the top, is one of the 5 classic French mother sauces and one of the most difficult to make without it breaking. Avocado toast. Avocado toast became a global phenomenon in the 2010s, driven almost entirely by social media and cafe culture. The dish existed long before its viral moment. Australian cafes were serving it in the 1990s, but Instagram turned it into a cultural symbol. In 2017, an Australian millionaire sparked international controversy by suggesting that young people could afford to buy homes if they stopped spending money on avocado toast. Avocado prices spiked globally as demand surged, and Mexican avocado farmers saw their incomes triple within a decade. Oatmeal. Oats have been eaten in Scotland and Northern Europe for over 4,000 years, originally considered too coarse for wealthy people and fed primarily to horses and peasants. Samuel Johnson's famous 1755 dictionary defined oats as grain which in England is generally given to horses, but in Scotland supports the people. Quaker Oats, founded in 1877, was the first breakfast cereal ever marketed in branded packaging. Steel-cut oats take 40 minutes to cook. Rolled oats take 5. Instant oats take 90 seconds. The difference is only how thinly the grain is cut. Breakfast burrito. The breakfast burrito was invented in Santa Fe, New Mexico in 1975 at a restaurant called Tia Sofia's, which still exists today and still serves the original version. It took a flour tortilla and filled it with scrambled eggs, bacon, potatoes, and green chili. McDonald's introduced its version in 1991 and helped bring the breakfast burrito to every corner of the United States. It is now one of the most ordered breakfast items at fast food chains across America, Britain, and Australia. Bagel with cream cheese. The bagel originated in Jewish communities in Poland in the 17th century and was brought to New York by Eastern European Jewish immigrants in the late 1800s. The defining characteristic of a real bagel is that it is boiled before baking, which creates the chewy, dense interior and shiny crust.
New York bagel makers claim their bagels taste different because of the minerals in New York City tap water. Cream cheese was invented in New York in 1872 by a dairyman named William Lawrence, making the combination entirely a New York creation.
Crepes. Crepes originated in Brittany in northwestern France in the 13th century, where buckwheat grown in the region was used to make thin, flat cakes. The thin batter is spread across a hot, flat pan in a circular motion and cooked for under a minute. Sweet crepes are filled with sugar, lemon, Nutella, or fruit. Savory versions, called galette, use buckwheat flour and are filled with ham, cheese, and egg. France sells over 2 billion crepes per year. Crepe Day, called Le Chandeleur, is celebrated every February 2nd across France.